Hello and welcome to Corvin's Corner. This is my personal website for my technology class for this semester. I started off my homepage with my professional statement. I believe in the right of every young person to receive the best education possible. Students should be encouraged to believe in their ability to succeed. Their self-esteem and confidence should be promoted and reinforced because these are the important building blocks upon which they can progress in their education. It is all about the mindset to go beyond the present and know that there are no limits to their future. And then if you scroll down, I have my personal contact information, where I'm currently at right now, which is Goodson Middle School. I also have a Twitter account, a Goodreads account that I'm sharing. And of course, I'll eventually be sharing a website and a personal website and my blog account. If you go back to the top, you can go from the home button to the All About Me button. And that shows a picture of me. And yes, I am going to be 50 in 2 months. And this is my 27th year of teaching. And then I have a quote that I dearly love. And then, of course, I have the link to my blog so people can follow me there.
I like how you have the picture of your blog, like you can see what it looks like straight from your own page.
Oh, thanks. And I embedded it so you can actually scroll through the whole blog thing right there.
Awesome.
So you don't have to really click on it. It's right there. Because if you embed it instead of linking it, then you can just do it from that screen. You don't have to go anywhere.
That's awesome.
Okay, then my next tab at the top will be the resume. And that just shows how old I am and where I've been and what I've done, which is a lot.
Shows your experience.
Yes, it does. I do know what I'm talking about here and there. Then I have my favorite things. On the main page, as Melissa knows because she works with me, we had Sharon Draper visit our school and we got to take pictures with her and watch her give her speech. She was amazing. I really enjoyed that. And then I have a link where you can click on books, and I have about 4 of my favorite books that just have really resonated with me. And so I have like little summaries of what they're about. Then I have a quotes tab of some favorite quotes from books that I like to share with others. And in my classroom, I have a wall where I have like favorite quotes. The kids can put sticky notes from the books that they read up there on that. So to smell.
I like that idea. That's neat.
Favorite web pages. I live on Goodreads. Goodreads is amazing because every book you read, you can write your own evaluation. And for me, this is important being a librarian because if I write what I thought of the book, then when I'm going to recommend it to another child, I can go back and read what I wrote. It will refresh my memory on each book that I've read because you have your own bookshelf on there. So every book that you've read, you mark it as read and you like write a little synopsis. And then, or you can put you want to read it or you have read it. It's nice. And then, of course, my Symbaloo, which is where you get to everything.
Oh, nice.
Classroom, Google Classroom. I use this on a daily basis in school. And Flip Snack was the new thing that we learned in our last class, where you can do it like a book, and you can show different assignments and projects and things like that. Then, of course, I have my deliverables. I have Unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the final project. I won't read all of these, of course, because we all have about the same thing, but you have your blog in there, your team video, and your standards, and that was week 1. Unit 2 was, of course, the survey week, the blog, of course, and then the video and the standards. Unit 3 was our, what was that? Our digital platform, where we had to create that project. Then, of course, the blog and the video and the standards. 4, that was our podcast week, the blog, the video, and the standards. 5 was our week for our digital manipulation. 6 was our search engines, the blog, and the video, and the standards, evaluations. And then our final project, I just have on here my blog and then my reflection. So this is my website, and I'm hoping to personalize it once I become a librarian and add all of my librarian things on there. So it can be like a one-stop place where people can go to and have links to my blog or to whatever is going on in the library or the kind of books that we're reading and things like that.
Well, Michelle, I think it looks awesome. It's very organized. I like the colors. I do like how you have everything displayed. Like mine, I just have links, but I really like how yours stands out and you can actually see what each thing is before you open it up. I think that's really unique, and I like that. I might have to steal it.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's very eye-catching. It's clean. It's very user-friendly. So you have all your tabs across the top, and once you click on them, it's very easy to navigate.
Thank you.
I agree. And me being a person that loves simple things, like I'm all about simplicity. The access of just going to the top of the page and being able to go specifically to, like, although me, a resume
What you need,
for
yeah.
the different chapters. That's what I like best about it. And again, the colors, it's eye-catching. And again, it's me. It's perfect.
Well, thank y'all so much. And I'm so glad y'all got to join me tonight. I really appreciate it.
Good job. Yes, I'm looking forward to seeing more people's websites, I think.
Right, more ideas.
Yeah, exactly. Everyone has a lot of really good ideas, so it's just cool to see how, where we started and where we're finishing. So
Well, thank y'all again, ladies. I'll talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.